Oh, hello, you beautiful people. This is Tom from Tom's Garage here, and welcome back to a new video. Yeah, it's a chair. A very, very heavy chair. Let's get to unboxing it and assembling it, hopefully.
One fingers if you're a real raver. Whoa.
Kurva. May have bought one that's that heavy. I actually couldn't top this one out because it's so fucking heavy. I tried to carry it, but I actually had to push it a bit. Right. A drone. That's a very budget helicopter order. That has the base. Damn, this thing. Grab the package condom off of it. This thing actually feels like it's supposed to last. We are gonna be friends, chair. It's comfy. It's comfy. Yes. Always wrap your willy. Always wrap your willy. I'm a chair virgin. Wait. How to... Oh, this is not going to be fun. A line. Okay. Line. Upright. You good? Danny. I need me fucking bolts. Look, hang in there. Help is on the way. He's gonna reunite you with your sis.
Special edition.
Hello, hello. Might as well. 3 left.
But unfortunately, then my video feed on the camera cut out because of the battery saving feature. What you're seeing now is what I got after I noticed that the camera shut off.
Alright, I'm back. Very technically, this is a chair. Just the rest of it is there. What I need to do now is implant the ass impaler. Let's get to it. Oh, that was simple. Now the main step is to lower the actual seat onto our asshole impaler, which is gonna be probably the hardest. Right, alternative method. I'll just put it in. Right. Hold still. And bam. It's on. I think. Yep. It's definitely on.
Kudos to you on watching the entire video. If you liked the video, give it a like. It really helps out the channel grow. If you really like the video, and you would be so kind if you to subscribe to the channel. It really would help me out. I'm a starting channel, and yeah, see you in the next one. Probably sim racing.